Hi friends, today we will learn about nouns. Do you know nouns? A noun is the name of a person or animal or place or thing. Person. Example: teacher is a name of a person, so teacher is noun. Boy is a name of a person. Doctor is a name of a person. Father is a name of a person. So, boy, doctor, and father are nouns. Animal. Example: dog is a name of an animal. So, dog is noun. Cow is a name of an animal. Elephant is a name of an animal. Monkey is a name of an animal. So, cow, elephant, and monkey are nouns. Place. Example: Taj Mahal. Taj Mahal is a name of a place. So, Taj Mahal is noun. Red Fort is a name of a place. Hospital is a name of a place. So, Red Fort and hospital are nouns. Thing. Example: guitar is a name of a thing. So, guitar is noun. Clock is a name of a thing. Caesar is a name of a thing. And camera is a name of a thing. So, clock, Caesar, and camera are nouns. So, a noun is person or animal or place or thing. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.